The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
In number 16, we're just asked to find the domain of an expression. And our expression here is the square root of negative 5 minus absolute value of 3x plus 1. So remember that when you have something like a square root, or when you do have a square root, you can't have anything negative inside it, or that won't be in your domain. So what you would normally do in a situation like this is you would take everything inside the root and just say that has to be greater than or equal to 0 and try to solve for x. However, in this case, we can use a little bit of common sense to help us here. Anything that 3x plus 1 gives you is going to be in the absolute value bars, which means it's going to be positive. And if you do negative 5 minus some positive number, that's always going to be more negative than negative 5. So clearly this is always going to be negative, and if you try to take the square root of that, you're not going to get anything. So our domain here is empty set, or you can say no real solutions. Because no matter what you try to plug in for x, you're going to get a negative under this square root, and it's not going to work out.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.